Good morning, class. Happy Tuesday. Today is May 5, celebration of Cinco de Mayo. Today's learning target is to explain the impact of the Industrial Revolution. So the plan for today, first, just to give you an announcement that this grade will be a quiz grade. The quiz option won the majority vote, so that's the type of grade that this quote, debate, end quote will be. There's going to be a bell ringer question for you to answer first. For that, I'll give you some reminders about what I'm looking for this supposed debate presentation, and then a reminder that after 3 o'clock, from 3 to 3:30, there will be an optional Zoom meeting where you guys can ask me questions, seek out help, get some feedback, whatever you need from me for this class. 3 to 3:30 is your opportunity to join that Zoom meeting and take advantage of it. The assignment is to make sure that your presentation for this debate is completely finished by the start of class tomorrow. Tomorrow you will be recording your presentations. There will be other work for you to do as well besides that. So make sure you have it fully created by then. Otherwise you're going to have quite a lot of work there for you tomorrow if you don't have that done by then. So first, if you could answer this bell ringer question, just tell me what percentage of your research/debate preparation is complete thus far. It's a multiple choice question. Just let me know. That's just giving me an idea of how much you've got done and what's left to go. The whole question that you're debating is whether or not the Industrial Revolution achieved progress from what would be considered a Christian perspective, and realize the idea of progress and the idea of what Christian means in this situation could vary. But my definition of progress from a Christian perspective might be different than what you think it's going to be. So making sure you clearly explain that is going to be a key part to this presentation. For this presentation, it is formal. There is a rubric and an outline with all the expectations and details that you need to know. You're just going to create a Google Slides presentation for that. Whatever side you're on, yes, it achieved progress, no, it didn't. You need 3 key arguments explaining why. Realize, I understand that there are some parts that did help with progress and other parts that didn't, but you do need to make a clear claim that says it was more of one or the other, even though, for being honest, there are examples of both. So that creation should be done. It says today 3 p.m., but honestly it just needs to get done before tomorrow. Also, don't forget, on Google Classroom I'll post the details for how to join, but there's a Zoom meeting 3 to 3:30. I'd be more than happy to talk with you briefly or extensively about what your presentation looks like and what you're looking for from me and whatever feedback you'd like me to give you. The recording of this presentation is something you will do tomorrow by 3 p.m. Please don't do it yet. I will give you more details tomorrow about exactly how to do it and just some final reminders, but just know that's part of your work for tomorrow. And once again, quiz versus test grade. You guys made the decision to make it a quiz grade. That's how it's going to be. Got questions about anything, please let me know. Don't forget that when you're researching, you are looking to provide multiple types of evidence. So providing examples of real life stories and examples from the Industrial Revolution, using common sense, logic, and reason, getting opinions from experts, getting stats and data, providing full context for those stats and data. Realize I don't expect you to have all 4 types of evidence in your presentation, but you do want multiple, which means a minimum of 2, and preferably 3, and possibly all 4 if you can find evidence that demonstrates all 4 types. So please don't forget to do that in your research and when you're making that presentation. Don't forget the format for this presentation. You need to come up with your clear definition of what progress is, specifically for a Christian point of view. You need to clearly state your claim, list the 3 main arguments you're going to make. For those arguments, describe what they are, support them with multiple pieces of evidence, connect them to the overall claim and to your key ideas. Be clear and consistent throughout. Always reference what your claim is as you go, just to make it more organized. And then don't forget your presentation will have a closing statement in which you restate key ideas, but maybe in a different way. It's kind of a restating and re-emphasizing of what you think. Please do not add new information in the closing statement, and don't forget to provide your sources as you go during the argumentation as well. You can just list those in the speaker notes when you do it. Questions, let me know. Otherwise, wait till 3:30. I can answer them on the Zoom meeting. Otherwise, have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you more tomorrow.